Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Spatial Scene in iPhone photos. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 26 because this feature does not work on iOS 18 or older versions. To activate the Spatial Scene effect, open the Photos app on your iPhone and select the photo you want to bring to life. This works best with high-quality images that have a clear subject and background. Once the photo is open, look for the small Spatial Scene icon located at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it once. Your iPhone will analyze the photo for a second or two, and the Spatial Scene effect will automatically activate. After that, you can zoom in on the image and gently tilt your phone left, right, up, or down to see the 3D depth effect in action. The photo will respond to your movement, making it feel like you're looking at the scene in real life. And that's it. So that is how you can enable Spatial Scene in iPhone photos. So that's all for this video. Thanks.